Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online teaching session. Today, we are going to learn lesson number 27, The Bremen Town Musicians, from your English Balbharti textbook. It is a very interesting and a funny story. So, let's start with the story. Once there was a donkey who worked hard for long and for his master. Now he had grown old and weak and could not do much work, so his master began to treat him badly. He even began to starve the donkey, and then he decided to leave the house and go to Bremen town and earn his living as a town musician. On the way, he met an old dog and a cat with the same story. So all of them decided to be a musician and went on. They traveled together for some time. They heard a cock's loud wailing. When inquired, they came to know that his mistress wanted the cock to kill him for the feast. So he also joined the band of musicians. Bremen was still a long way. They had to cross a forest. As it began to get dark, the cock flew to the top of a tree and looked for a shelter. He saw an old house among the tree, and they all went there. Though they through the window they saw some robbers feasting inside. They thought that they will be happy if their musician joined. So all of them started singing together. With the donkey placed his four legs on the window, the dog jumped on his back and cat on the dog's. The cock perched on the cat's head. Robbers got frightened with such a terrible noise and saw the huge shadow cast by the animals. They left their stolen riches in the house. Then all his friends entered the house, had food, and put off all the night. Seeing dark, one of the robbers came to go back to the house. Then man went into the house. He saw the cat's eyes, thought they were burning coals. He tried to pick up one to light his candle, but the angry cat scratched his face. He turned to run out of the house. At the door, mad dog bit him leg hard. He stumbled and fell down, and he gave a smart kick with his hind legs and all of us. The cock had been screaming cock-a-doodle-doo in his ears. The robber nearly died of fright. Somehow he got back his gang and told them everything, boys, that he full of monsters and deadly creatures. So robbers never went back to the house, and all of these four friends found enough money in the house to live on there in a happy and comfortable. They never went to the Bremen town. So this is the explanation of the story.